beauty squad. So guess what we got today? Hooray. I've got the brand new, just released Nomad Hudson Valley palette for 2022 fall. So if you would like to see my final thoughts when and where this is being released, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Please hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, and if you would like to, go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you like content such as this. But I will see y'all over in a video. We're just going to chit chat, talk about this, and talk a little bit about this palette right here because it's getting ready to go bye-bye. And I want to fill y'all in before it's gone. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all over now. Hey, squad. So, I've got the Nomad Hidden Valley, Hudson Valley. Rephrase that. You know, I'm bad with naming stuff. Hudson Valley, gorgeous, from Nomad Cosmetics, and the inside is beautiful. Like, look at that. It does not disappoint. It gives you all of fall vibes and then some. This is legit one of the perfect palettes for fall. So, with this being said, if this is up and you're seeing this before 12 o'clock today, it still ain't available. Hold your horses. I promise you it will be today, September 20th, 2022. It is being released at 12:01 p.m. Eastern Time. So, go ahead and set your alarm on your phone if you're in such luck to be able to grab it today. If not, make sure you keep a note of this and have it in your cart ready to go. And before you check out, use Jessica 10, JESSICA 10. It will save you some coin at checkout. It's not an affiliated code. It's just a legit discount code to help save you some coin, because that's what I'm about. I'm just trying to help you find a good indie brand and save you some money along the way. Now, this palette, I did two different looks. I was going to do a get ready with me, sit down, chit chat, and go over the palette, but I just didn't want this video to be that long. I want to get down to the point. I was honored enough that Nomad sent me this NPR to review, an honest review for you. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay on, what have you. I think it's just kind of like she offers it one time for micro influencers, and I'm grateful. And hopefully I can do a good enough job. Y'all can, Jessica's good, keep her on. Maybe they'll bring me back later on or keep me on or what have you, because it's such an honor to be able to represent a beautiful brand such as Nomad. Because Nomad is just not an awesome makeup brand. It's also a amazing reason behind it. They support so many organizations. Their palettes are themed of locations they've been and things that are meaningful to them. It's a wife and husband and also son little company, and I think it's the cutest. Like, I love it. I love seeing pictures of their son. I love seeing pictures of them. This palette means a lot to them because they were married here, which is so beautiful. So amazing. And they've also traveled back there a couple of times. So each eyeshadow has a theme. They take the time and press it out, which is absolutely amazing. And each palette has different presses. This palette does have 12 mattes, amazing mattes, and 3 shimmers. The mattes are just so soft, so bold, and easy to work with. It is crazy. Like, look at that. Y'all know I can't swatch more for crap. The shimmers do not disappoint, even though there's only 3. Which, as soon as I opened it up, I was like, no, I need more shimmers. But technically you don't. You can do a lot with those 3. And I think they picked beautiful color to go with this palette for the shimmers. Now, on my lid, I do have this one and this one right here. I have the green accent and then the yellow right in the middle. And then on this side, I just have the green going through that line. I wanted to give you 2 different kind of two different kind of ways to play with this palette. And if you would like to see me recreate any of these looks or even more looks, please don't hesitate to leave it down in the comments. I'd be more than welcome to. But they were super fast and easy. Like, it didn't take me a lot of time. This one a little bit more time because, of course, the detailing. But it was super fast, super easy. I did line it out with my Melt Cosmetics gel pot. I love this shade. I think it's just, it makes my eyes pop. And then in the waterline, I have the ColourPop in a shade Teaspoon, which is gorgeous, and it just accents the color so well. I have probably about 6 colors on this eye, and they blend it out so effortlessly. There's not no patchiness, there's no muddiness, there's no cakiness. Like, it is beautiful how it laid down. Now on this side, I wanted to give you a quick, simple, easy way, put some makeup on and out the door for this fall. And so I went in with just like 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, and we were good to go. I legit used this one right here and this shade, 3 mattes, because I blended out with this one. And then I went in with this on the lid and inner corner. Now on this side, you got this. Like, there's quite a bit going on this side. So if you would like a tutorial of either one, let me know. Now, hit. This was released last year. Even though it was released last year, it's still one of my favorite Halloween palettes. It is a must Halloween palette because look at the colors. This does have a lot more shimmers to it. Even shifty shimmers. They're absolutely gorgeous. See the detailing. Look at the detailing. And I don't think they're going to be coming out with a Halloween palette this year. It's just going to be a fall palette because they did a Halloween palette last year. This palette is, if I'm not mistaken, still on sale. Now, the catch to that, if you do not grab it, it's about to be sold out and it's going to be gone forever. They're not bringing it back. They're just going to keep rolling with it and bring out more content, more palettes and more creations. They're not going backwards. So if you are interested in this beautiful palette, like, just look how much detail they put into this packaging. Make sure you go grab it up. Grab up the bundle because this would be such a unique set that you can legit leave on your table every day of the fall and just come up with so many looks, and you wouldn't have to grab anything else. I'm telling y'all, I keep mine right here in front, most of my Normal palettes, and I've got quite a bit. I got like 9, I think. And all those were purchased. This was my first one sent from them. So that should tell you, and I'm not just saying it to be saying it. They're legit amazing, and even more amazing, the reason behind them. And I love supporting a brand with a cause. But look, like, come on now. All that smokiness combined with all this warmth of a palette, perfect together. Perfect. Even by themselves, you could do so much with just this palette. But I just don't want you to pass up on this one because this is an awesome palette for your collection. For me, a must. And I'm not even a dark eyeshadow type of person, but there's so many light shimmers to it. You can brighten any kind of look up. And you always need a smoky-ish eyeshadow palette to have in the backup because you never know what kind of look you might need. But yes, go grab this up. Jessica 10, save you some coin on checkout. Do not sleep on this palette, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's just, the mattes are just so beautiful. Look at that. They're so unique. Like, the color shift, like the color tint to them, because it's not just a brown, it's not just a green, it's not just a mint. The shift to them gives them that warmth feeling of fall. Like this, I can't say no more about it. It's like a perfect fall palette. And you can carry this on into the winter, to the summer, whatever have you, just because of these bright colors as well. You can dress this up and dress this down to your beck and call. So make sure you run over and grab it up before these sell out. And again, if you don't have this palette and you do have the extra coin, I highly recommend you grab this palette before it's gone. Because you'll probably be able to find it on Mercari, but this way you can go ahead and get it on sale for the brand. Why not? What's that? Turn it down. Sorry. Alright, go get it. It's over there. But I wouldn't sleep on either of these palettes. I highly recommend both of them. I've had this almost a year and I still grab it on a lot. To even for 1 or 2 shades. Like this shade right here I use a lot. That shade I use a lot. I've used these 2 shades a lot. So I do highly recommend Norman if you haven't checked them out yet. Go check them out. They got a great reason. Sorry, my little girl's right here bugging me. But I do highly recommend both of these palettes. Highly recommend both of these palettes. Do not sleep on them. And again, if you would like to see either one of these looks, super fast and easy, let me know down below in a comment or shoot me a DM over on Instagram or TikTok, what have you, or you can shoot me an email. All my information is down below. My name is the same on all my platforms. Makeup with Jessica Vargas. It's not hard to find me. And thank you again, Norman Cosmetics, for giving me the opportunity to represent your brand, even if it was for just one launch. Hopefully, near future, I can be somebody that you would love to have on your PR for permanent. Until then, I appreciate the opportunity to be able to review this palette for everyone and do these awesome looks and try to give y'all something that's unique. Give y'all the giving. And with that being said, don't fret my pet. Even if I'm not on PR with them, I will promise you, I'm still going to be buying the palettes. I'm still going to be getting the releases. It just might take me a little bit more. That being said, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. I'm going to go ahead and jet off here. Don't forget, Jessica 10 at checkout. 12 p.m. today is the release date. Mark it down if this is up before then. If not, this is your sign. Go grab this palette. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Like, look at that. Ah! Like, ah!